Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I know I'm in my morning robe. It's about 6:30 a.m. and I'm up, but sun hasn't risen yet. But I'm starving, so let's go down to my kitchen and make some food. I'm not sure what I'm making, but I'm gonna go check what ingredients I have available right now and we'll make some breakfast. So let's go down. Alright. I'll wake my fishes up. Morning, Assalamu alaikum. Oh, they must be hungry too, so we'll feed them in a second. But let's check it out outside. It's still so dark. Alright guys, let me show you guys how it looks outside. It's still so dark. It's about 6:30 a.m. Look at that, I just saw a mosquito. Anyways, let's go make some food. Let's go check it out what I have in my kitchen. Okay, there's some golden potato buns. Let's take these out. I got some butter out. Of course, I got some OJ. Thanks to my brother. Let's get some vegetables. So we have some mushrooms, avocado. I got some green and red peppers, some tomato, and of course, you need some of that, the egg, and we can see onions too. So let's get going. I'm gonna make egg in a basket, something called egg in a basket. They serve at Denny's all the time, but I'm gonna make something similar to that and top up with cheese. So let's get going. All right guys, so yes, I changed my shirt. I didn't want it to get my rope to smell like my eggs. Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna take the bread and so egg in a basket, basically 2 pieces of bread or bun. You cut them in half and then you make a hole in the center where the eggs goes inside. So first thing first, we're gonna toast our bun, like let the bun starting to toast while I'm gonna cut some vegetables and then we put saute. Okay guys, so as I said, let them toast a little bit. We also use these, little side, kind of like a bun biscuit. Okay, let's get the vegetables going. So since we're putting quite a bit of vegetables, I don't want to overcrowd my vegetables. So I'm going to keep it, small quantity of each. And last, we have avocado that we can also put on top of our egg in the basket. So you cut in the center, twist, it opens up. Taking this out is very easy. Just take a knife, poke it in, twist, comes out. Simple and easy. Alright guys, so the bread is coming along pretty good. It's about to get brown, toasted. Nice. So it's time to get these eggs going in. Alright, so it's going. I'm going to season it right now with salt and pepper. Yeah. Okay guys, so it's time to flip them gently. You gotta make sure that you don't break your eggs. See, that's what I did. But that's okay. We can fix this. This one's pretty good. Look, it's nicely browned. We're gonna cook for a few minutes on the top. Of course, it's your desire if you like to cook it all the way, so you let it cook. Okay guys, looks pretty good. Let's check, put it on the plate here. Upside down, see? A little cooked, but still runny inside. Now we get our vegetables going, and then we're gonna top it with vegetables and cheese. So time to go mushrooms. Guys, so it's about time to put cheese on top here because we wanted to make sure that you get nice melted cheese here. A little bit of cheese on the eggs, because when we put the hot vegetables, it's also going to melt that. Okay, so if we can cover it, the cheese can melt faster within a minute or so. All right, cheese looks good, nice and melted. So let's get this baby going. We'll put half here, we'll put half over here. All right, Guys, as I said, I'm going to be garnishing with some tomatoes on the top. A couple here, a couple over here. Voila! Our breakfast is ready. Alright guys, my egg in the basket are ready. I'm gonna go enjoy these delicious breakfast. Do try this recipe and let me know how you guys like this recipe. Until next time, I will see you at MK's Kitchen, my next recipe. Do take care of yourself, and don't forget, before you leave, subscribe to my channel if you're first time on my channel. And with that, hit the bell icon which is right next to it so you get all the notification of my upcoming video first. So I'm Hamid signing off here. Take care of yourself, enjoy the delicious food. Allah Hafiz, have a great day.